The fifth episode of our European cruise lands us in Portugal, where we visit Opporto and the medieval town of Guimaraes. We see a castle with a very interesting history and walk the streets of the old town. Then we're off to Lisbon on a tour of the city. We visit many places, including an old monastery. We hope you enjoy the video.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan, and we are the Half-Ass Travelers. Good morning, Half-Assers. Today we are in Opporto, Portugal, and we are taking a tour to the medieval city of Guimaraes.
Yes,
I think
Guimaraes.
I'm pronouncing that right. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Yeah, it's supposed to be really beautiful, so we're really excited about it.
It's supposed to be a medieval town, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be
can't
fun.
wait.
All right, we'll see you guys there. Well, hey there, guys. We really hoped you enjoyed these videos.
Yeah.
There's no way the videos could do this any justice. This is a beautiful city. It's an amazing city.
Yeah, there's so much to see. We don't have enough time.
Yeah, the history here, the beautiful churches and architecture. It's just a gorgeous place.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yep.
Unfortunately, our time here has come to an end, and we have to get back on the bus and head back to the ship. But we had a great day in Guimaraes. Guimaraes.
Yeah.
My God, we're going to learn how to pronounce that yet. But we hope you enjoyed the video.
Yep, and we will see you on the next adventure.
Hey, half-asters.
Half-asters.
This morning we pulled into the final port of call for the first cruise, Lisbon, Portugal.
And it is beautiful.
Yeah, look at that behind us. It's totally awesome. Right now, they just are finishing up the disembarkation process, so we're kind of the only ones on the ship and anybody else who is sailing on the next cruise, which is really nice because we can roam around the cruise ship. There's no crowds. It's really nice. As you can see, the crew is in the back making preparations for the next cruise. So they're busy beavers, but we have a little opportunity here to just take a breath. But we're not gonna take a breath long because we're going ashore.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna go see what there is to see in Lisbon. We're gonna take a little walking tour of downtown, and we're gonna take you with us.
Yay!
So, join us on our tour.
Come on. What are you waiting for?
They're waiting for us.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that walking tour of Lisbon. I think we saw quite a bit in the limited amount of time that we were there.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful city, and we really had a good time. But now we've got to get on the cruise ship, and we've got to sail away because we're heading down to the Canary Islands, then over to Morocco, and then into the Mediterranean, where we're going to be seeing a lot of good stuff.
Yep. And now we're going to leave you with some images of Lisbon at night.
It's beautiful at night.
It is.
Enjoy.